Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can deactivate all sound notifications in TeamSpeak. It's going to be extremely simple, so maybe you want to go ahead and disable the notification like someone joined your channel, someone moved out of your channel, you disconnected, etc. Now you just want to open up the actual application for TeamSpeak, and in here you want to browse down to the bottom right corner of your screen, which is going to be the account setting or the application setting. Inside this page, it's going to be extremely simple. Just click on notification and you could simply uncheck notifications that you want to disable. So maybe you want to disable system notification like the global private chat, the global chat group. You could just click on the X icon. And if you want to go ahead and disable the notification for something like connection, so the application will actually say that you have connected to a server, you can just click on the disable button once again. Or if you want to disable all of this altogether, you just want to toggle it off. So in my case, I actually don't want any notification, and from there you should be good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.